Hey there and welcome. If you're about to have an embryo transfer and you want to make sure it is the opposite of quick, cold, and clinical, this one's for you. So your transfer doesn't have to feel like you're just another patient on an assembly line or person on the schedule for your clinic. It shouldn't feel like this. So today I want to share some science-backed DIY layers that are going to make this moment feel authentically yours while actually helping your body say yes to implantation and pregnancy. First up, think about getting an eye pillow. There's actual science here. Gentle pressure on your eyes calms your heart rate and breathing rate, telling your body it's safe. Also consider a tote bag with a battery-operated heated blanket if you run cold, because clinic ACs can be brutal. And cozy socks with grippies are also great. If you get up to use the bathroom, then you'll be really steady on your feet. Layer number 2, consider these finger roller fidgets. These little hand rollers are a great addition to your kit. I don't want to flip you off. They shift your brain's focus to your hand sensations instead of a full bladder. And that's the worst sensation and the worst part of a lot of transfers. Now, I teach a lot more about finding your sweet spot with bladder prep in my IVF Insider Guide. That is something that's really worth honing in on, so check that out too. But you can get a package of 10 of these online for cheap, and you can share them with your support person, your favorite nurse, your sonographer, your doctor. Just search for finger roller fidgets, and they're a game changer. Layer number 3 is a perfect playlist. So music and sounds can make a really nice mood. Just don't make it water noises. You do not want a bubbling brook when your bladder's at full capacity. If you want to check out one of my favorite layers, I'd love you to try out my day of transfer meditation. I'll put the link below. It's free. It's a really compassionate body scan with no fake positivity, just authentic celebration of what you do know, that you made it to transfer day, that you get to meet your embryo, and that this is a big and hopeful deal, and also terrifying. That's okay. If you prefer videos, go and look for funny clips. Think about adorable goat videos or sweet clips of friends and family doing fun things. Basically curate layers of videos and sounds and sensations and thoughts that tell your body that things are really good and resourced in your life. That's going to literally nudge your nervous system towards saying, yes, this is safe for implantation and a reasonable thing to do. Another layer is mood lighting. Bring some battery-operated candles for while you're waiting. Ask if it's okay to dim the lights. Use your phone app to create some moody lighting. Bring a couple of pretty or inspiring images from nature. Transform that sterile room into your space. It's amazing what some softer lighting and a pretty view can do for your nervous system. Another layer is building your connection squad. Here's where you get to customize even more. If you want people to write you sweet notes ahead of time so you can read them, or send you pictures of them eating French fries on your big day to join you, that's beautiful. If bringing more people in feels like extra attention and extra focus though, keep it private. You do you. You know what feels right. Maybe you prefer to do something quiet like a prayer or a sweet hand-holding moment with your partner or a little smooch. Whatever feels most supported and loving and safe to you is perfect. Don't forget other little trinkets and charms, little good luck things, photos, meaningful objects. And remember, hormones are still a part of this experience, so whatever you're feeling, whatever coming up is valid and real. Be kind if you're feeling irritable. Bring tissues if you're feeling really misty. That is just the beautiful, complex reality of this kind of treatment. Bottom line is, when you feel more like your whole, authentic self, and when your body feels safe and supported, you're going to create the optimal biological environment for pregnancy. It's not woo-woo, it's nervous system science. These layers aren't absolutely controlling the outcome of this, because we can't, but they do create the best possible conditions for a pregnancy to thrive if it happens, and hopefully it will. You've got this. Whatever your vibe, make your transfer you. And if you want way more layers like the bladder prep guide, I'd love you to join my IVF Insider online course. It's the most bang for your buck ever. It's got multiple videos for preparing for transfer, an entire evidence-based lining prep guide, day of transfer support with even more ways to make every single step of this more fabulous and supported. For example, Did you know that probiotics vaginally can decrease miscarriage rates? Or that protected intercourse or orgasms seem to up your odds even more during IVF? I break it all down and give you more details inside the IVF Insider. It's such an honor to be on your team, even virtually. Thank you for pressing play. Please subscribe and like. It supports me so much. I love being a part of these profound, hopeful moments and keeping you at the center.